Hello everybody, it's Dragon's Destiny. Sorry, it's Beautify. Okay, so today I'm playing with Dragon's Den. Just kidding, it's... Oh, some error happened. PewDiePie came here. Okay, let's continue our survival series. Yeah. So, I'm sorry for the 3 days delay of the video. Some error happened. This app over here didn't start. This thingy, Mobizen, it was not working at all. Oh, that's good. Okay, just write down. Shall I stay in this home or shall I change my home? And write that down in the comment section. Whatever, let's continue. As we saw in that one, I think, the last episode, I think you saw, there was a village, there's shit. Oh yeah, most important thing, I don't have. Yeah, that's better. Let's go. Wah. Oh, is it getting night or is it morning? Or is it just this pumpkin? Look at this. It's a bit annoying. Let's remove it and continue. Shit. I should kill you, idiots. Here, I'm here, idiot. Hey, wait. Shit, I think I should return. I never knew I would start and it would get night. Look at my home shining bright.